Hi guys, it's SweetTooth967 bringing you another product description. Today we're looking at ambrosia, Devon custard, and this is a 6-serving box, slightly smaller, 750 gram. This carton was, as I say, the one that's above it is the 1 litre. So, first time I've seen this, so I'm going to do an unboxing or an uncartoning or whatever they want to call it. I've got a little bit on there now, so draw some nice on there. What I've got here is a cherry pie. I'm going to put that in the microwave now. Back in a sec. So now that's cooked in the microwave. That's what it looks like. I always forget to get a spoon. It tastes real good. This cherry pie is actually from Asda. It's one of their Baked to Perfection ranges, so I got that. So that's a quick look at the ambrosia, guys. It's a nice custard. I think over the years though it's lost its, definitely wasn't as good as the old custard. I don't know, it might be me. But you know how these things work, they get commercialised, and lurpak went the same, so did Thorntons, and they're now having a little bit of a comeback to the original recipes. But there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it, and why not subscribe? We'd love to see you there. Catch you later.